Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, as per your time zone. I, Aparnika Sahu, welcome you all again to my channel, Dance with Aparnika. Till now, we have learned single hand gestures or a Samyukta Hastamudra, double hand gestures or Samyukta Hastamudra, Shiro Bhed, Griva Bhed. And today, we will learn eye gestures or Drishti Bhed in Bharatnatyam. There are 8 types of eye gestures or Drishti Bhed in Bharatnatyam. Firstly, I will introduce these gestures one by one with their names, and in the end of the video, you will get these Drishti Bhedas with Shlok. So let's get started. Drishti Bhed. First one is Sama. That means you have to look straight. Second is Alokitam. That means you have to rotate your eyeballs around. Third gesture is sachi. In this, you have to look in the right corner only. Fourth gesture is pralokita. In this, you have to move your eyeballs to the right and left. Fifth is Nimilita. In this, you have to look far away and your eyes narrow slightly. Our sixth Drishti Bhed is Ullokita. In this, you have to look little upwards and your eyebrows should be uphill and you have to look with surprise. Our seventh Drishti Bhed is Anuvritta. In this, you have to look up down in continuation. Our last gesture is Alokitam. In this, you have to look in meditation posture and the eyes are downwards and slightly open. So let's see how to do with shlokas. Samam Alokita sachi pralokita Nimilita Ullokita Anuvritta cha tatha chaiva Avalokita ityashtau drishti bhedasyum kirtitah purvasuridhi. So these are 8 types of eye gestures or Drishti Bhedas. I hope you will practice in regular basis. Thank you for watching.